big dreams. All I have is these big dreams, big dreams. I'm tryna live these big dreams, big dreams. I won't be slipping on these big dreams, big dreams. All I have is these big dreams, big dreams. All I have is these big dreams, big dreams. I'm tryna live these big dreams, big dreams. I won't be slipping on these big dreams, big dreams. All I have is this. I've got big dreams. I'm tryna live by all means. Motivated by critics, I go beyond extremes. And I was born hustling. The grind is in my genes. Hip hop is like my crush, and every night it's red dreams. Oh wait, that's a confession. This music is my obsession. I breathe to live my dreams. Sleeping is just a distraction. I believe that I'm the chosen. Fate gave me their selection. Roadblocks are no biggie. I'm like back in this mission. Big dreams, big dreams. All I have is these big dreams, big dreams. I'm tryna live these big dreams, big dreams.
So otherwise, i-trail to mana it's very easy. Siza enjoy in case of emergencies. Sinayo first aid kit. So yeah. Singatalisa ke.
Because lesifuba lo hayibo.
So enye into ke sine hiking sticks, ne? I-hiking sticks siyalithengisa e-80 ne? Okanye ke uyakwazi ukusihire i-hiking stick yakho nge-20 rand. Bawuhike apha endleleni ukwazi usibelela. Yeah. Hiking stick ibalulekile because iyakwazi ukubangela inyoka engakwazi ukusondela through vibrations ezenziwa i-hiking stick njengoba. Snakes.
I'm tryna live these big dreams, big dreams. I won't be slipping on these big dreams, big dreams. All I have is these. I've got these big dreams. I'm tryna turn it to reality. This dope 16's got me higher than astronomy. I see me in my dreams every day. It's a fantasy. You're telling me I'm sick, gotta take me to the pharmacy. I'm Martin Luther King with the size of Big Show. My dreams are that big, I ain't about to let them go. I know I'm too dope, is it the coke or the straw? If you a big dreamer, let's unite and go to war. Big dreams, all I have is these big dreams, big dreams. I'm tryna live these big dreams, big dreams. I won't be slipping on this big.
Okay, maslinda ba. Maslinda ba.
Yo, good. Khakho wakho tane into leya.
Isake i-heritage yethu. It's our heritage. It's heritage yethu umpongisa futhi nda into esizidla ngayo. Umpongisa umthi nje umpongisa. Yabo. So apha empongiseni kukho lewe kuthiwa ngumpongisa kwaye. Xa ibizwa kuthiwa yi-poisonous star. Yabo. Khule siyitya ke lewe yakho poisonous. Xa i-ready iba yellow. Uyayivula apha kwezi ndawo zinalezi nalewe bangathi nemilebe bangaphakathi. Very nice.
Yeah.
Uyabona? Then ke ngoku sibe nenantsika nansi poisonous star. Ne? Then sibe nalo ulikhwala xa uzawuphuma ugoduke. Uyuphelele kulo mthi. Uyabo? Lo mthi ke ngulo ufumanise kuba ikhwala liyawuphatha pha sithi ngumnqayi. Uyabo? Lo mthi ke uye uthi xa ugqibela usebenzisa pha ebukrwaleni uthathe uxhobe pha erufini okanye abanye bawubekesela okanye abanye bawugcine ke lo ndawo isafe. Yabo? Xa kufike lixesha lokubana ube nomfazi
Upho wakuthatha uthethe
khona bhuto wami upha endlini sawuxhomile. Uyabo uyuthathe la nduku uyabo la mnqayi wakho uye lo uzawuselecta ngayo umfazi wakho. So hence why ndisithi umpongisa is part of the heritage.
Believe you succeed when you give me proceed. All you need is favor to pay for your labor. You believe you succeed when you give me proceed. Shoot for the stars, shoot for the stars. You gotta keep it going and you gotta keep it rolling. Shoot for the stars, shoot for the stars. You gotta keep it going and you gotta keep it rolling. Shoot for the stars, shoot for the stars.
Nansi thenga apha kwi-dam banks. Okay. Apha emanzini. So floating plant la plant xa ibizwayo kuthiwa yi-water hyacinth. Ayikho indigenous, it's not from here. So la plant ke kuthiwa xa ibizwa yi-water hyacinth. kuba singabantu abathandayo ihlathisa into yabo. So sakhona kwamanye amazwe bayakwazi ukusebenzisa bayalungisa bayidise manje bayakwazi
Who am I? Oh yes, I'm Mac-Man. I eat them down like Ghost on Pac-Man. Trapped in the circles with no escape plan. I'm the spark.
This way. Lento lena indication that the environment is pollution free. Yabo umoya ophefumulayo apha awukho polluted. Hey. So lento ke yi combination of i-algae fungi yabona sine symbiotic relationship. So enye ixhomekeke kwenye ukuze isebenze. Enye ikwazi ukusebenza enye siyabona so kuyancediswa yabona futhi so ziyazidibane ufumane
Run like Castor, I'm the master.
yabo iba into engathi izambane phangaphansi
ebambe
yiyo le nongwe le
So,
apha ngaphansi uyavumbela kuzothi la
These verses, the scriptures, a bunch of pranks. Fighting out of red corner, spitting blood on blue trunks. And hate is like a melody song.
manaka kugcineka straight. So we wouldn't like into yokubana ugcineka ayingabi loo nto mandiyishere funi le information so that niyazi laa nto kuthiwa grinika yikhampani le yayisenza ugrinika ayingogrinika yi-beetle ke abantu search uba iyadityaniswa so idama lona it's Beetle Drift Dam yenziwa yikhampani kuthiwa yigrinika so ngoku sizawunyukani apha ke bras yeah understand special lapho ke yabo ube ngu-avoid yeah so yiyo ke ngokulondoleni sacinga le alternative route yabo enye ke ngoku ethanda ukwenza iround iletha phaa ngezantsi qha ke ngoku amanzi xa kunethile ayakwazi
Them above 80s must slow them, tear them apart like I'm Hogan. Kiss them to dust like it's stolen. Further I go when I'm broken. Always I was when I'm falling as time goes. I hit the bleed nose on stage. I bring bombs. I tell them I kill shows. You would think I'm from now, cause I got the two flows. And God has been the blessing. They thinking it's overdose. And who am I? Oh yes, I'm Mac-Man. I eat them down like Ghost on Pac-Man. Trapped in the circles with no escape plan. I'm the spark, the flames, I let them all burn. I'm Macboots and Yabby, Macboots and Yabby. I bring them all down with flows like tsunami. Cause I'm Macboots and Yabby, Macboots and Yabby. I bring them all down with flows like tsunami.
I'm the poor boy, come from East London with a spark of interest. Then Nick Duran, you feed the spark becomes a flame. Then you feed the flame becomes a fire. Then you feed the fire becomes a roaring blaze. I'm too sharp for them. Every time they bring them, I break them. Every time they put them in front of me, I always cut them into pieces. I've been around. I'm the world champion as an amateur. If you don't know that, I'm a gold medalist in the Zone 6 championship as an amateur. I'm a 5-time South African champion as an amateur. I've got the court experience. Who am I?
You are Mahmoud Sinyabi.